My name is John Mays. Some people refer to me as Evil John Mays. I'm here today to demonstrate some makeup techniques for expertvillage.com. We're going to be putting a bullet wound appliance across our eye. Now, before you do that, you kind of have to prep the surface, and I like to use some medical masking tape over the eye so that it keeps things from getting in our eye and it gives me a better base to attach to. Now, the color of this tape will go away once we get other things applied to it. Okay, now we're going to put the adhesive on top of the bandage. If I get you to lean your head back. There you go. Kind of want to give a general coating of the adhesive on there. And since most of it's on the bandage, it should come off without too much trouble. This, as you can see, it still has that milky consistency. But if you look at the stitches at the top, all the milkiness has gone away. That happens as it dries. It's really good stuff. It's medical quality. So you don't have to worry about injuring your actors. That's one thing you got to keep in mind, is you shouldn't use anything that's toxic. This is don't use it on skin. Don't use it on skin.